Welcome back, scientists. Today we are continuing our lesson in the 5 senses. Let's start with sight. Make sure you have your eye diagram. That will help you understand what we're learning. But I also brought a friend. His name is Igor. He's going to help us learn about the parts of the eye. So how do we see? Well, we discussed in color and light how we can only see what's reflected into our eyes. So if it's completely dark, we see nothing. Now, we get light through something called a pupil, this black part. And our pupil opens and closes by the iris, the pretty color part of your eye. That opens and closes our window. I call our pupil our window. It lets light in, or it will close to keep some out. So if it's very bright in the room, your pupil will get very small to limit the amount of light that comes in. But if you're in a dark room, it opens all the way up to catch as much light as it can to help you see. The white part of your eye is called the sclera. Can you say sclera? Good job. Now we also have parts of our eye that protect our eye. Can you think of what they are? I'll give you some hints. Did you catch that? That's right. We have eyelashes, we have eyebrows, we even have tears to wash out anything that gets in there, and then we have these eyelids. Pretty cool how we're made, right? Great job. Now, go ahead, grab your mirror, and I want you to look in your mirror and see if you can find all the parts we talked about. Now we're going to talk about how our eyes see images. Now we have 2 eyes, and each eye sees a separate image, but our brain is so amazing that it takes 2 images and makes it 1. And we sent you something called a thaumatrope. Can you say thaumatrope? That's a hard one. And it can show you how our brain is able to do that. So on one side we have one picture, and on the other side we have another picture. But if you put it between your hands and spin it, it might look like one image. Pretty cool. Practice doing it fast and slow and see what your eyes and your brain can figure out. Did you know that's how cartoons were made? Pretty cool, huh? All right, go have fun and I'll see you next time.